WBM Smart 300 LED strip lights that do come with the remote. So you can control the colors and the dancing movements, the music. They even react to when you talk. It's really cool. They're so much fun. So I actually have these plugged in right down here. Let me go ahead and grab those. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to get the remote and we'll turn the lights down low and we'll go over all the different cool color options it comes with. These are, again, very highly rated. Very easy to use. You're just going to plug these in, and then let me turn off this light over here. Because if you've ever watched me live stream before, you know that I really, really love to have my fun with turning on all the lights and just kind of having fun with it. So they're going to come wrapped up like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to adhere them to anything. So you can have this behind your television. You can have them underneath your bed, kind of like around your bed or your kid's bed. You can have these underneath a desk as well. So these are so much fun. They're very small but very strong. And the nice thing about these is that they have a really long shelf life. And again, really, really simple for you to control it with the little remote that it comes with. So I'm going to give you guys a couple different colored options. So you have this really cool intense green. I love this green. Like, you see how bright these are? Let me go even turn them down like slightly as well. So you can kind of change the coolness or the warmth. You can go through different colors with the remote and just kind of have fun with it. I love how bright these colors are. Like, aren't they just crazy how bright they are? And then we also do have just like, you know, your regular sort of hollow white lights. You're going to have your brightening effect or dimming. So you can change how you want them. So maybe it's late at night and you just want to have a fun color light. And you just want to have them on almost like a nightlight, right? Just for fun, just have that fun color. And then maybe on you are awake and you're just kind of hanging out playing games, you're gaming, you're reading or something. You want to have the fun full color going, then you can. But I like the fact that with the remote, you can just bring it back down and just have a little bit of color, a little pretty little strip light. It looks decorative and festive and it's fun. Kids love these a lot too. My kids are a big, huge fan of these. And then you can also, of course, have different settings for talking into them, different colors. So you're going to get into the greens, the blues, the reds. I'm going to kind of like skip through different types of shades too. So you can do the colors and you can do different shades by skipping through with it. So like we have really cool purples, we have blues. There's going to be like these really ones that are kind of pinkish color. Like I love this pink color as well. Look at this one, like the fuchsia color. I love the fuchsia color. Isn't that really pretty? I love those. So much fun. And then you can also, like I said, you can dim them down, like just dim them down like this. You have like a little bright color, just a little, or you can brighten them up, like really crazy, just brighten them up. So that's all with the remote. It's really fun. You can do that with the remote. And this is a 2-pack you're getting. So you're getting 2 different ones, and they're just adhesive. So like you see how thin they are? Look how thin they are. Super, super thin. And then just easy for you to stick them on. And this is going to be the 2-pack, 300 LED lights. That's how many is on. And look how tiny they are. Just this little tiny, like compared to my fingernail, like so tiny, but then so vibrant and bright. And then I can go ahead and brighten them up even a little bit more too. I love that. And then I have it on the pink, but then you can, of course, also, and I'll take this with this, it's really cool, is that there is a button you can also even talk with it. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me get the talking one. You can talk to it, and you can actually change how it's like it's reacting based off of your voice. Isn't that just the craziest thing? So when you talk, it goes ahead and it changes and reacts to your voice. I think it's just like the most fun thing ever that it kind of changes when you're talking. And then we have like different options too, where you can have different colors running through each one. So like right now, you guys see like there's really fun green coming through, there's blue, there's pink, there's red. You can have multiple colors on each one running through the 2 different ones. So if you want to have them together and like different colors here, create an ombre effect with rainbow colors, you can. Are those not the cutest things ever? I love these, and they're so fun and easy to use too. And even for holidays, these would be like really cool. If you wanted to design a board of something and then have it ready to go for the holidays, you can use these for like just really different kinds of things. You could use these on floats too. I mean, it would be so cool, wouldn't it? Next, we're going to be talking about, and I'm going to go ahead and just maybe leave these over in the background hanging so you guys can see the different colors they have. Just like this. So they're sort of in the background hanging up while we're talking so you can see like the different colors because it's so cute.